Hello everybody, I am Dr. Lodhi Kanis Fatma, Head of the Department Political Science, JTR Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon, Nasik. I welcome to all of you in my video lecture entitled Feminism. Feminism ये टॉपिक TYBA क्लास का है। मुख्तलिफ आइडियोलॉजीज़ को पढ़ने के बाद हमें ये भी देखना होता है कि फेमिनिज़म किसे कहते हैं। फेमिनिज़म is a range of social movement, political movement and ideologies that aim to define and establish the political, economic, personal and social equality of sexes. Feminism incorporates the position that societies prioritize the male point of view and that women are treated unjustly within those societies. Efforts to change that include fighting against gender stereotype and establishing educational, professional, interpersonal opportunities and outcomes for women that are equal to those for men. निस्वानियत, फेमिनिज़म मीन्स निस्वानियत। फेमिनिज़म एक ऐसा सोशल पॉलिटिकल मूवमेंट है जो कि पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिक, पर्सनल, सोशल इक्वालिटी बिटवीन द सेक्सेस इसके लिए रखा गया है कि समाज में औरत और मर्द के दरमियान कोई फ़र्क नहीं, उन्हें समाजी, सियासी, माशी हर फील्ड में एक जैसी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाए, एक जैसा उनके साथ बिहेवियर रखा जाए, ट्रीटमेंट एक जैसा दिया जाए। चाहे समाज में पोजीशन दोनों की बराबर बराबर हो और जो है औरत को अनजस्ट ट्रीट ना किया जाए। ऐसी सोसाइटीज़ जहाँ पर औरतों को कमतर समझा जाता है, इन्फीरियर समझा जाता है, उसके ख़िलाफ़ फाइटिंग करना, जेंडर स्टेरियोटाइप सोसाइटी के ख़िलाफ़ फाइटिंग करना फेमिनिज़म कहलाता है। फेमिनिज़म establishing educational, professional and interpersonal opportunity and outcome for women that are equal to those for men. What is the definition of feminism? The advocacy of women's right on the ground of equality of the sexes. Belief in the advocacy of political, economic and social equality of the sexes expressed especially through organized activity on behalf of women's rights and interests. Feminism is a range of social movement, political movement and ideologies that aim to define and establish the political, personal and social equality of sexes. What are the types of feminism? Liberal feminism, radical feminism, Marxist and socialist feminism, cultural feminism and ecofeminism. Now, what is liberal feminism? Liberal feminism is the variety of feminism that works within the structure of mainstream society to integrate women into that structure. Its roots stretch back to the social contract theory of government instituted by the American Revolution. One scientist said that this is the start proposing equality for women. As it often a case with liberals, they slog along inside the system, getting little done amongst the compromises until some radical movement shows up and pull those compromise left off corner. This is how it operated in the days of suffrage movement, and again with the emergence of radical feminists. What is radical feminist? Radical feminists provide a theoretical thought in feminism. Radical feminism provides an important foundation for the rest of feminist flavors, seen by many as the undesirable element of feminism. Seen by many as the undesirable element of feminism, radical feminism is actually the breeding ground for many of the ideas arising from feminist ideals, which get shaped and profounded out in various ways by other, but not all, branches of feminism. Marxist and socialist feminism. Marxism recognizes that women are oppressed and attributes the oppression to capitalist private property system. Thus, they insist that the only way to end oppression of women is to overthrow the capitalist system. Socialist feminism is the result of Marxism meeting radical feminism. Cultural feminism is regarded as radical feminism died out as a movement. Cultural feminism got rolling. Cultural feminism retreated to Vanguardism, working instead to build a women's culture. Ecofeminism. This branch of feminism is much more spiritual than political or theoretical in nature. In many or may not be, it may or may not be wrapped up with goddess worship and vegetarianism. Its basic tenet is that a patriarchal society will exploit its resources without regard to long term consequences as a direct result to the attitude fostered in patriarchal hierarchical society. Thank you very much.